dialogue in Kenya. We are one country. And Kenya cannot go on any different path but other than the path of peace and dialogue. And Raila Amolo Odinga has always followed the path of peace and dialogue. But there must be certain conditions. And Rutinda Molo, since you are the chairman of my partisan talks, I suggest in my own small way that for us to determine that Ruto is being honest about discussions and about dialogue, the first thing that you should do is either to repeal the finance bill or suspend the operation of the finance bill. Because if the finance bill continues, it means the prices of commodities that we need for our livelihood will continue going up. Do you want us to talk with Ruto when the prices are going up or when the prices have been brought down? I want to hear from the people of Uyoma. As a condition precedent. Secondly, our people have been killed. Our people have been killed. And Mbaka Chege has talked about people have been killed, young men and women. As a condition precedent, the Ruto regime must accept to pay compensation for our people who have been killed. There must be payment of compensation. Thirdly, those who have been arrested and charged, like Otare in the CIA, like Babu Owino, the regime, the Kenya Kwanza regime must withdraw those cases to create an enabling environment for dialogue to take place. We cannot talk with Ruto's men when our own colleagues are in prison or are being prosecuted. I think that is an important condition precedent. Ruto must stop the recruitment of IEBC commissioners. This is a condition precedent. Okay, we must go to talk when we know that there is an enabling environment for us to talk in a fruitful and concrete discussion that is going to yield results.
We are aware that the intention